ADA Cardano holders, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So Cardano's fundamental metric is at an all-time high. We're going to talk about what that metric is and how it can affect the price of ADA here, short-term and long-term. So without further ado, let's jump in. All I ask, smash the like button down below. Subscribe to this channel if you want daily cryptocurrency content. You want value. You want education. I've got you covered. Subscribe down below. That's all I ask. Let's dive in. Cardano's fundamental metric has reached a new all-time high, with the network now boasting more than 4 million total addresses. And we've seen this number tick up significantly in the last year and a half. This is a significant milestone for the blockchain network and indicates its growing popularity among investors and users, especially developers. Now, having a high number of total addresses is beneficial for the blockchain network, as it demonstrates the network's adoption rate and user base. Without a growing network, you don't have a successful cryptocurrency company. This increased adoption can lead to a network effect, where the value of the network and its tokens increase as more users and developers join the platform and want to get involved. Now, Cardano has struggled recently with its price. However, in the past 2 weeks, ADA has experienced some issues on the market, losing about 16% of its value. Despite this recent price dip, though, the growth of Cardano's total addresses is a promising sign for the network's long-term prospects. This increase in total addresses shows that Cardano is still growing, even amid the market turndown. And I've mentioned this many times about Cardano. It's not a fast mover. It's not one of those cryptocurrencies that's going to wow you with 30 to 40% bursts in a 24-hour period. It's a slow grow. It's a just trust the process type of cryptocurrency. You know, since its ICO in 2017, it's been in or around the top 10. It has not had a blow off top yet. And I think this slow growth is good for the longevity of Cardano. Charles Hoskinson previously emphasized the importance of growing the network's user base as well, building a strong community around the project. Without a strong community in crypto, you don't have a good project. He stated that the success of Cardano is not only measured by its technical achievements, but also by its ability to create value for its users. And that is something they are doing. When you look at real world use cases, Cardano has some of the best things to point toward, right now. And some of their active initiatives going on, like putting African students' test scores on the blockchain. These are the type of real world integrations that I think one day will prove to be hugely, hugely beneficial to Cardano. Now, as the network continues to expand, it's expected that Cardano will continue to develop new use cases and applications as well. The platform's focus on scalability and interoperability has already made it an attractive option for developers here in 2023. And we will continue to track the prices of Cardano. Again, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies to track right now. It's sitting at about 36 cents. So we'll see what happens next with ADA, ranked number 7, by the way, on the big board. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about it down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you.